Hello, all. I'm Dr. Gayatri, an educational therapist. I'm the founder of Flourishing Kids and I work with kids having learning difficulties. Today, we are going to see ways to support a kid with learning difficulties in the online class. Yes, online classes are a little difficult for some kids, and with kids having learning difficulties, it becomes still more difficult for them. Now, because of this online class, parents suddenly started playing multiple roles. They are the parent, teacher, as well as their educational guide and everything now for the student, for the child. So now we have to see how we can feel them and make them supported in the online classes. So let's see. First, why it is so tough for the kids? Because they are not able to connect with their teacher. They are not able to connect with their teacher as in the regular school. And the main thing is whatever they are having, their homeworks, their assignments, everything is in the written form. They are only getting it in a written form. So it becomes tough for them. There is no oral form of communication, the verbal form, everything is in written. So the kid has to read it, they have to understand it and then write it. So it becomes very tough for a kid with learning difficulty to have all these issues. So what can we do as a parent? How can we make them understand this is the situation for them? So first, talk with your teacher, talk with the student's teacher. Yes, tell them your concerns. Tell them your kid is having difficulties with this. You can ask them to give any printed material, if a book or something, what they are going to do in the class beforehand, so that you can keep it ready and the kid can see it. They can actually see what is going on there so that they can just follow with their book. They would be able to connect it much better. They would be able to see the text and they can understand what is going on. And if possible, if the lesson is said before, they understand that they are going to discuss about this lesson. So it makes them feel calm also. Then also talk with the teacher that putting your child in that position and asking them question is very tough. If they are not able to answer it, it becomes very tough for them. So let them know they can keep some signal. If the student is ready and willing to answer it, they can give that signal and then the teacher can ask the child to tell it. Because in an online, they become very uncomfortable. If the child is having some difficulty with learning difficulty, and then if the teacher is asking in front of all other students, yes, it becomes very difficult for the child. So let's discuss all these things with the teacher. The teacher would also be helping out, like how to handle or how to make the kids supported in the classrooms. Also, one more thing is that writing is difficult. Yes, writing is difficult for the kids. Within the time, if the kid is having some difficulty, within the time is very difficult for them to do it. So you can also tell that also to the teacher and make the student also understand, yes, it is little tough if they are saying like copy this within 5 minutes, and it becomes very difficult for them. So it's okay if they are not able to copy, you can help them again later at home. You can again give the same text or material. You can ask the notes from the teacher and get it, and then the children can copy it at their home. Then what we can do at home, the parent can actually start allotting some place, that is a specific place where they can sit, and every day the online class continues there. So the child understands that this is my class time and I'm sitting here, so I have to attend the class, and they also know that what is going to happen in the class. Everything beforehand, if they are able to know, it is very good. It is so good that they can understand that this is going to be the situation there. And if the child is getting homework or assignment, yes, please read out the instructions for them. You can absolutely read them. You can read them so the child understands and then the child does the work. You can help them organize their day. Yes, organizing their day and schedule. They have to see which time is their online class, which date is their homework submission, which time is their assignment submission. Yeah, so they have to see all this. So you can help them to organize their day. Talk with your child. Talk with your child how they are feeling in the class, how it is for them. Tell them that they can ask any help from you. You are ready to help them. They can ask any doubts or anything so that they get all the support from you also. Then don't forget to celebrate small wins. If the child completes a small passage, Yes, they have completed the small passage. Don't see that they haven't completed the whole homework. It's okay, they did this. Celebrate their small wins. That is very, very important for a child with some learning difficulties and even for every child, right? Celebrate their small wins. So then they progress on to the next also. So let's use these ways to make them supported in our online classes. Thank you all.